up, everybody? How's it going? Out in the middle of nowhere, da, 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 by some trailer park, yeah. So, if you're seeing this, you'll have seen the clip of the very attractive young ladies who, I wouldn't say they hit on me, I don't know, waved at me, so I waved back and blew a little kiss, which, you know, hell yeah, hot girls, if you wanna hit on me because I have a bike, go right ahead, because it doesn't ever happen. You see all those videos of people like, oh, picking up girls on my motorcycle. Do you know what happens? It doesn't. It never happens. 90% of the people who see you on a bike could give a shit less that you're on a motorcycle or not. Like, I know some people probably have, you know, good luck with it, girls sitting on it or whatever, but I don't, maybe it's just where I live. Maybe it's just where I live. Let's preface this. No one gives a shit. Like, I had an ex-girlfriend, ex-fuck buddy, whatever you want to call her. Because to her we never dated. Who, when we started dating, again, preface, air quotes, the dating part, she was like, oh, I've always wanted to date somebody with a motorcycle, and I was like, well, convenient. I am right here with a motorcycle, and yeah. And for 6 months, we, I mean, literally, I dated her, I was together with her, saw her, whatever, from like, I don't know, spring to fall. So like, motorcycle season up here, you know, that's what it is. I tried from when we started dating to when she dumped me to get her to go on a ride with me. I was like, well, I'll buy you a helmet, that doesn't bother me, you know, like, shit, I'd like to have a hot girl on the back of my bike all the time, especially like, if I can go somewhere and do what I like, plus have the girl that I like with me, well, damn, let's do it. You know, I see no downfalls in this, except for the fact if you ever wanted to be alone and da-da-da-da, whatever. At the moment, I saw no downfalls, you know, honeymoon time, or whatever the fucking word is for it, when you're like, when you just start seeing someone, everything's like great, and yeah, so, that all happened, that ended a while ago, a long time ago. So, I go by this guy, and a guy and a girl on a dirt bike, you know, on a supermoto, probably just probably DRZ with, you know, a dirt bike with slicks, like probably barely street legal in general, but, and I was like, he was maybe, those two cars, no, way closer than that, he was probably 5 or 10 feet behind this van, and I remember in my head being like, damn, you know, for two people on a dirt bike, which probably doesn't have the best brakes in the world, and, you know, not the most stable when you have two people on it, I was like, he's really close to that van. I get home, and who do I get a text message from? My ex, saying, were you riding today? I saw you. And I was like, okay, that's cool. Yeah, I was on the back of a motorcycle. I was like, oh, you just want to be petty, and, you know. And I was like, well, you would have been on one a couple of years ago, or a while ago. Yeah, I was like, well, you would have been on one a while ago if you'd ever let me. And she goes, oh, well, I guess there wasn't enough time, or maybe, I don't know, maybe you didn't try enough. And I was like, are you kidding me? I asked you for 6 months if you wanted to. Like, we literally only dated during the summer. The only time, like, the only prime time there is for motorcycles around here. Like, you're trying to tell me that we didn't have enough time or didn't try? Like, fuck off. Like, don't be petty and sit there and send me a text message like, oh, the new guy I'm seeing, I got to ride on the back of his dirt bike. And I was like, yeah, I bet that felt really good on your ass. She's like, oh, it is a little sore. And I was like, yeah, fuck off. You know, don't be petty. Don't sit there and send me text messages to like show off that you're doing something with a new guy you're dating. Like, what do I care? You know, ooh, that's a nice BMW. Got your daddy's money. I don't know, it made me laugh, especially like, I live close to a college town, you know, this college town, so being the fact that quarantine is happening, all the college girls are gone, so when it gets warm, you don't get any of the people walking around, you don't get to see any of the, you know, attractive young adults. You know, all the bars are closed, all the college kids are gone, so like everyone's gone, and these 4 girls randomly pull up in a car and they're like, you know, sitting there waving like, oh hi, hello, I appreciate you. Who are you, and can I have your number? But it was just funny, one of those, you know, one of those random things that everyone's like, oh yeah, this girl hit on me while I was on my bike, and it's like, why doesn't that happen? Who's lying here? You know, either you're getting hit on or you're not, but I want to know how and where and when. I don't know, maybe it's just a thing up here that like less girls are interested in bikes, I don't know. I mean, out of all the people that I know own motorcycles here, I'd say like 3 girls have a bike. And that's out of, you know, 30, 40 people. Like, there's a good split of way more guys to girls, which obviously would happen because it is like a guy's activity, you know. It was nice. It made my day. So if any of you girls see this and you want to, you know, go for a ride, it's open. I have passenger pegs and I have a very comfortable back seat. And I know there was 4 of you, so I can't do it all at once, but if you all want to ride, we can all take turns.